Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic NanoCAD tutorial how to edit block. So for example, I will create block. You can draw rectangle and create circle. The next to convert to block, you can type block, press enter. And for the names, I will set into example. For pick points, okay, you can click in this point. And for the object, select these all entities. Don't forget to check convert to block, click OK. Now, if you want to edit this block, you can double click to be sure for the edit block definition dialog box. Click on the block name and then click OK. It will be moved into block editor. Now, in these drawings, you can edit. Like I will add new circle in the corner, and then you can trim like this. And after it, if you done, you can click close block editor and click yes to save the change. So that's it for a basic NanoCAD tutorial how to edit block.